drone tracks. Brabus has converted a G-Wagen into a pickup truck. Look at this beast! Extended wheelbase. It's also been lifted. Look how much higher that is than the standard G. All new suspension. You've got the exhaust on the side. We'll hear that in a sec. And around the front, you've got the wide star body design with a winch on your Brabus pickup. Crazy! You've got a retractable step so you can get in, and then you have a tuned engine, 800 horsepower. Now this button here opens up to these three. I'm going to show you what this does. Go around the front. LED lights at the top. Check out around the back. This pickup costs 4 times the standard price of a G-Wagen. Listen to this. Brabus yeah. Love that. Okay, should we go for a drive? Let's go. Top speed 210, that's limited. 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. You've got all this beautiful carbon fiber detailing here. You've got a sunroof. You can see your roof rack there. That's an optional extra as well. Tracks for an optional $100,000 drone, and it flies at 240 kilometers an hour, faster than the top